Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. You are watching Faizaz learning class. As you know that we have uploaded a lot of lectures about the CSS, PCS, PMS, English grammar, IELTS and all combined competitive exams too. So here I am going to discuss the grammars. Grammar में I am going to discuss the prepositions of the time, preposition of the places, preposition of the movement. So that is very important topic for all combined competitive exams, especially it is the very important part. So most of the students they were asking me about the preposition, how we can make the difference between them, how we can use it in the and how we can solve it when we got the exam. So here I am going to discuss the little bit easy trick to discuss the preposition of the time. So let's start the class. Before starting the class, I want to say all of them student they are new of my channels. Please subscribe, share and like it. So let's start the class. First of all, we should know about the definition. Those prepositions which are used to show time, relationship between nouns. We have basically three basic preposition of time: at, in, on. At, in, on, they are very important use for the time because they show their position and position too in the sentences. So in this video I will tell you the difference and easy trick to solve and resolve the how we can use it at, in, on in the sentences. There are so many prepositions around of us and we are using in the sentences, but we don't know how we recognized okay which is the right preposition and put in the right places. So here I'm going to start at used for the precise of time. यूज़ होता है एट जो होता है वो यूज़ होता है फॉर प्रेसाइज करने के लिए टाइम को. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल 8, 9 o'clock, 8, 10 o'clock, 8 to 30 p.m., 8 2 p.m. At the moment, at the right time, at the same time, at the present time. 8 sunrise, 8 sunset, 8 bedtime, at the moment, at the school, at the college. Sometimes we don't follow the rules of preposition and make the another sentences. This is very important at use for the precise of time. So here you should understand and let's move another page and discuss another preposition. On. On used for days and dates. On Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on 9th May, on 9th January, on 9th April, on my channel, on my birthday, on New Year's, on holidays day, on Independence Day, on Instagram, on the Facebook, on the Eid, on the occasion. तो ऑन यूज होता है फॉर द डेट्स के लिए और डेज़ के लिए विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर लाइफ. तो ऑन का यूज हमेशा जो है समटाइम वी कैन फॉलो अनदर रूल्स बट ऑन मोस्टली यूज इन डेज एंड डेट्स टू. So here is very important rule. So let's move another page and discuss another preposition. In. In used for months, years, decades and for a long time. In March, in the 2000, in the century, Sometimes we don't follow the rule in the morning, in the evening, in the building, in the lesson, in the book, in the pen, in the kitchen, in the office, in the school. So there are so many examples of in. So here you should concentrate in use for the months, decades, and the for long time. So here this is the difference ऑल ऑफ देम इन एट एंड ऑन. सो वीडियो पसंद आए तो कमेंट्स के ज़रिए मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा. मेरा चैनल लाइक कर लें, सब्सक्राइब कर लें. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.